So here's the deal. We just came out with our new and improved Eastwood Elite MP250i to replace our old MP250i. A bunch of you guys are probably wondering, what changed? So here it is. The new and improved Eastwood Elite MP250i, it actually has true DC TIG welding functionality. This means high frequency start and a foot pedal. The old MP250i was a scratch start TIG. This meant you got your torch in your hand, you got to turn your gas on, you actually have to touch your workpiece to get your arc started, you got to do your weld at one set amperage because you got no foot pedal, and to stop your weld, you then had to turn your gas off. A lot more difficult to use, kind of not the easiest thing to get the hang of. Certainly a valid process, and we offer it in some other machines because it's a very affordable way to get into TIG welding, but now you don't have to worry about it. Additionally, the new Elite MP250i, it's got storage hooks for all of your cables. So this machine right here, it's got everything that it actually comes with. We got our stick lead on there, we got our ground, we got our TIG torch, and our MIG torch. All conveniently set up here, stored, ready to go. This is about half of what the old MP250i came with, and you can just see, you kind of got to find a place to put it. This makes organization a lot more easier, makes everything really handy to get to. Additionally, with the DC TIG functionality now, you can actually leave your TIG torch plugged in all the time, ready to go, making it even easier to swap back and forth. Speaking of easy to swap back and forth, we now have 2 dedicated gas systems for MIG and TIG and 2 bottle storage areas. The old MP250i, you can only have 1 bottle at a time. You actually would then have to undo your regulator and everything, get it set up to TIG weld, swap it back over if you wanted to MIG weld. Really made the transition not the easiest process in the world. With this, turn the gas on, hit a couple buttons, you're welding. We even added a couple extra spots for more filler rod when you're TIG welding. So the old MP250i was a great welder. This new Elite version, we've made it even better. Having the true DC TIG functionality with the foot pedal and high frequency start really is going to improve your TIG welds. Being able to keep everything all set up ready to go on the hooks so you can roll it in and out of your shop or to your project makes it really nice and easy to use. And having 2 gas systems makes switching between MIG welding and TIG welding seamless. For more information about this welder or many others, visit eastwood.com.